Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the light button and keep holding it until you see the GARMIN logo on the screen. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. And once you see the GARMIN logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.